Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Himlay mini exercise bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to stay active at your desk, recover from an injury, or just enjoy a convenient workout, we've got all the details for you. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for more information. So, let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Folding Pedal Exerciser Mini Exercise Bike by Goodnice. If you're looking for a compact, foldable option that you can easily store or carry on the go, this might be the one for you. It's designed to work both your arms and legs, making it a versatile choice for users recovering from surgery or simply looking to add some movement to their daily routine. The Goodnice features a lightweight design built with reinforced steel pipes and ABS plastic, ensuring durability over time. The quick fold mechanism is incredibly convenient, allowing you to set it up or pack it away in seconds. The LCD monitor tracks your exercise stats, including time, count, RPM, and calories, giving you the insights you need to monitor your progress. However, with a maximum weight recommendation of just 50 kilograms, this model may not be ideal for heavier users or those seeking more resistance levels. Performance-wise, the motion is smooth and light, which is particularly beneficial for seniors or beginners. The resistance knob allows you to adjust the intensity, but it's worth noting that this model is best suited for low-impact exercises. While it's a solid entry-level product, the lack of higher resistance levels and the lower weight capacity might be a drawback for more advanced users. Still, it's a great choice for portability and light use. Pros: lightweight, foldable, easy to store. Cons: limited resistance, lower weight capacity. Coming in at number 4 is the Underdesk Bike Pedal Exerciser by Yosuda. This model is perfect for those who want a high-quality, magnetic resistance mini bike that's packed with features. With 16 levels of resistance, this bike offers more adjustability than most of the competition, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users alike. The Yosuda bike is constructed with alloy steel, giving it a solid and durable build. It supports up to 220 pounds, which is significantly higher than many other mini bikes in this category. The magnetic resistance system provides a smooth and quiet operation, making it perfect for office use or shared living spaces. The included digital monitor tracks key metrics like heart rate, mileage, speed, and calories burned, and it can even connect to apps like KinoMap and Swift for a more interactive workout experience. Bonus points for the included floor mat and resistance bands, which enhance its versatility. While the performance is impressive, the larger size and heavier build, 17.9 pounds, make it less portable than other models. It's also on the pricier side, but the added features and premium design justify the cost for serious users. Pros: 16 resistance levels, app connectivity, sturdy build. Cons: heavier and less portable, higher price. Taking the third spot is the Pedal Exercise Mini Exercise Bike by Rigio. This model is designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, making it a great choice for those recovering from surgery or seeking a low-intensity workout. It's lightweight and portable, allowing you to use it at home, in the office, or even on the go. The build quality is decent, featuring reinforced steel pipes and ABS plastic. The bike is compact and easy to store, and the pedals are equipped with adjustable straps for added stability. While it doesn't have the advanced features of some higher-end models, it includes a tension knob for resistance adjustment, making it suitable for light to moderate exercise. The pedal motion is smooth, but the lack of an LCD screen or detailed performance metrics might be a downside for those who want to track their progress more closely. In terms of value, the Rigio is a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers who prioritize portability and ease of use. However, advanced users or those seeking a more comprehensive workout experience may find it lacking. Pros: lightweight, portable, simple design. Cons: no LCD screen, limited resistance options. At number 2, we have the Mini Exercise Bike by AGM. As the premium option in this lineup, it boasts a well-rounded feature set and excellent build quality. This model is perfect for users who want a reliable and versatile mini bike for both arm and leg exercises. The AGM bike features a compact and portable design, making it easy to store under a desk or in a small corner. The LCD screen provides essential metrics like time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping you track your progress. The resistance knob allows you to adjust the workout intensity, making it a great choice for beginners and elderly users. The non-slip pedals and adjustable straps ensure stability, even during longer sessions. While the price is slightly higher than some alternatives, the AGM delivers on performance and durability. However, it doesn't offer advanced features like app connectivity or a higher resistance range, which might be a drawback for users seeking a more interactive workout. Pros: compact, durable, excellent stability. Cons: limited advanced features, slightly higher price. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Mini Exercise Bike by Himlay. This budget-friendly option offers an excellent balance of features, portability, and value, making it the best overall choice for most users. The Himlay bike is lightweight and compact, weighing just 7.6 pounds, yet it's sturdy enough to provide a reliable workout experience. The adjustable resistance levels allow you to customize the intensity, making it suitable for users of all fitness levels. The LCD screen displays time, count, calories, and distance, giving you all the key metrics you need to stay motivated. It's also incredibly easy to assemble, no tools required. With a price tag of just $42.96, this model offers exceptional value. While it doesn't have the premium build of some higher-end models, it's a fantastic option for those who want an affordable, no-frills solution for staying active. Pros: affordable, lightweight, easy to assemble. Cons: limited advanced features, basic design. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay active and take care.